To find the least common multiple of three numbers, the standard method is to list out the multiples. To list a multiple, you multiply a number by 1, by 2, by 3. So 18 times 1 is 18, 18 times 2 is 36, 18 times 3 is 54, and so on. I've done that with each of these numbers. 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, and so forth. Now we're going to look for the common multiples. So in both of these lists, we have a 36, a 36, and a 36. We also have some other ones in common, 72, 72, and 72. The least common multiple is 36. Next, I'm going to show you a shortcut because sometimes the very first number that they all have in common takes a long time to get to. To use the shortcut, we're going to make factor trees. Two numbers that multiply together to get 18 are 2 and 9. 2 is prime, so I'm going to bring the number 2 down, and two numbers that multiply together to get 9 are 3 and 3. For 12, I could use 2 and 6, and then for 6, let's go with 2 and 3, and then for this 2, bring it down. Okay, and then 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. Once we've made our factor trees, we're just going to force the numbers to be the same. For example, this tree has 2 3s, and this tree only has 1 3. So it needs an extra 3. Now, all 3 trees have 2 3s. This tree, however, only has 1 2, and this one has 2 2s. So it needs an extra 2, while this tree needs 2 extra 2s. Now that they're all the same, let's multiply those together. 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 9 is 36. The least common multiple is 36. Let's just compare that. We got the same answer by listing them out.